looks like the hatchling we got. Look at this. Welcome to Earth. These two are like holding hands.
Oh my god. Tiny but I'm mighty.
He's a big boy.
Okay, I say it. I'm the person who says it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome back, Chef Squad! Today we are going to show you what we do every single day, a lot of times twice a day, for these little dudes and dudettes here. I got some questions on the last video that this filter isn't up to the job. And usually I'd agree. There's a certain way to do this like maintenance to make it work out. First of all, I add a plant in there, and I've been, I don't know if you can see, but right here, it actually started growing roots already. Anyways, the turtles actually like to eat the roots. So I'm gonna leave it just there for now. And check it out. The water isn't perfect, but my goodness, these guys sure do love to swim in it. So let's go ahead and feed these guys and show you what the daily routine looks like around here.
Yay! I am so excited.
All right, first things first, we go ahead and we take this lamp off.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah, and we drop it right here.
Look at it.
And we have a little mat here to catch the excess water. And I have on the side here my little feeding tub. So I'm gonna drop that right there.
Ooh, I'm so excited to feed the turtles.
All right, so I'm gonna get this whole lid off and just set it to the side. I'm gonna use this big scooper here.
Oh, that
And watch
feels
this.
nice.
I just go ahead and scoop up this used water. And then in the bucket it goes. And for these guys, I do it twice. Usually they'll swim into the bucket here. Okay, but not today. So that's done. They are big enough where they're eating these Missouri pellets now. We're also gonna throw in some of this Zoomeds Hatchling formula. All right, and then we just start throwing these guys in.
Okay. Oh, I love these dudes.
Do, 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 do.
Baby shark, do, 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 baby shark. Food time.
So they're still a little shy. We used to feed them in deeper water, but now we've been using less because it's just been easier.
Come here.
So now the water that we actually took out of this tank here, we are gonna fill it back up after this, and I'll show you why this filter makes life so much easier.
Oh my gosh, that's so dirty.
But it is dirty. That's these ceramic rings in there.
They look like toilet paper rolls.
Yeah, the Barbie toilet paper rolls. I opted to keep them out of the filter so I can use the sponges in there. And they, with the pretty big current going all over here, they provide pretty much the same function. All right, these guys.
Oh, some of them are so hard to get. Oh, I see one. It's the last one. It's behind the...
I got it.
Drop it down. Drop
Okay.
it. No, put it back in the water. I'm going to count.
Put it where you can get it.
Go.
And they are always scared when we're here still. So we just give them some time to eat, and all this stuff will be... and all that food will be gone. Woo! Yeah, we got a lot of food going here. So while they eat, I'm gonna go and get them some new water. So while they eat, I get the new water ready so they can start warming up in the tank. I actually get it from this guy here. This is my Danby dehumidifier. And this is the water that we've been collecting. The nice thing is that this is all chlorine-free distilled water. And that's it. And just a quick side note tip, if you are worried about putting chlorine to top off your tanks, you can always just add dechlorinator to the bucket and then dump it into the tank. The brick, look at how big that thing is. It can perform the same type of function as these little ceramic rings. And this was just something I have lying around the backyard. It's pretty porous and it's really thick. So can you imagine how much different varieties of bacteria that can live in that brick? for the babies, I don't like to put in too much substrate, and that's why the water can do such a good job. And that's why the filter does such a good job at cleaning the tank. No matter what you do, a filter will always come up short because turtles are dirty. But I got this little tip with this filter. I'm gonna show you just why this water is very consistent with nitrate levels. And in addition to this plant here, I have some red mangroves that are growing. Once they are fully grown, I will add them to a tank like this. Right now, all the other ones are in other tanks doing a similar function. With a little time and care, this thing can flourish and become a huge nitrate sucking machine. And that is what we do every single day, sometimes twice a day if we can for these guys. And we know they appreciate it. They would tell us if they could. So until the next one.
Shut up, Shell Squad!